Magna Prime Chemical Technologies Incorporated proudly celebrates a milestone commemorating its 24th founding anniversary. And marking this significant occasion, the Magna Prime is excited to announce the inauguration of the Buildrite Academy, an innovative program aimed at elevating industry standards. Set to become a TESDA-accredited professional training center, the Buildrite Academy will offer hands-on training for engineers, architects, aspiring contractors, masons, and skilled workers in essential construction practices such as tiling, waterproofing, and more. Sinclair, a key brand under Magna Prime, is also an integral part of the Buildrite Academy. As a leader in advanced painting techniques and technologies, Sinclair the new generation paints will be featured in the Academy's curriculum. This ensures that participants gain exposure to cutting-edge solutions in the painting industry, empowering them with the knowledge to apply Sinclair products with expertise. The Academy addresses a critical knowledge gap in the use of construction chemicals, catering to both pre-learners and post-learners. By imparting best practices and methodologies aligned with international standards, construction professionals and skilled workers will be equipped to specify and apply products with precision. Stay tuned to our social media channels for the latest news and updates on the Buildrite Academy. Join the conversation in the comments section for more details.